everyone. On behalf of Guru KPO channel, I am Tanishka Jain, Assistant Professor in Biyani College. Will teach you some of the basic important greetings in French. Je m'appelle Tanishka Jain et I'm going to teach you some basic greetings in French. That means my name is Tanishka Jain and we're going to begin with the basic greetings of French language. The first word in the board is bonjour. We say it again, bonjour. That means good morning or hello. Whenever we are starting with a basic greeting to somebody or other persons, we say bonjour. It is not being pronounced as bonjour or bonjour, but as bonjour. We have to fix a palate in according to say bonjour. The next word comes upon is salute. Whenever you are just meeting or reconnoitering with some of the person or somebody who's younger to the age, we say salute. That means hello. Again, we're going to repeat it again. Salute. Yes, hello. The third word, it's particularly a phrase that we are going for, is how are you? That means comment ça va? Repeat it again with me. Comment ça va? When we say comment ça va, that means how are you? We basically in the answer we give yes I am fine or fine. That means bien. Again, if we're going to go upon with very good or I am very well, we say très bien. That comprises of all the words that we are giving in a lecture. We're going to repeat it again. Bonjour, comment ça va, bien, salute. Yes. Today we're going to end with this thing, merci beaucoup. Last word that I want to, just add on is merci beaucoup. That means thank you very much for listening to me. And again we'll come back with new words and new phrases in the dictionary and we're going to learn some of the French language. Till then, bye. Au revoir.